In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signature fields in Pandadoc. Let's get started right inside your document. First, you'll want to open the Content panel. This is where all of your fields live, including the signature field we'll be using. If you don't see it right away, look for the main toolbar or sidebar where you normally add text fields, dates, and other elements. Once you have the Content section open, you're ready to add your first signature. Now, find the signature field in the list of available fields. Click and drag that signature field onto your document and drop it exactly where you want the first person to sign. Take a second to line it up where it makes sense, usually under a name, a title line, or at the bottom of a page. If you need to adjust the size, you can usually drag the corners of the field to make it fit your layout. Once you have one signature field in place, you don't need to keep dragging new ones from the Content panel. Instead, click on that first signature field once. This will open a small floating toolbar right above or next to the field. On that toolbar, look for the duplicate icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. Click that icon to instantly create an identical copy of the signature field. You'll see the new signature field appear, usually right next to or on top of the original. Click and drag this new field to the next place where you need a signature. Repeat this process as many times as you need. Duplicate, drag, and position each signature field so they're clearly spaced and easy for signers to find. This is especially helpful if you have several sections that require initials or multiple signature areas across different pages. Now that you have multiple signature fields placed, it's time to assign them to the correct people. Click on any signature field to bring up that same floating toolbar. In this toolbar, look for the recipient dropdown. This is where you choose who will sign that particular field. Open the dropdown and select the signer you want to assign it to. Then move on to the next signature field, click it, and choose a different signer if needed. Work your way through each signature field, making sure everyone is assigned to the correct recipient. When you're finished, each signer will only see and complete the fields that are assigned to them, and your document will be ready to send for signatures.